MSI launches the Claw 8 AI Plus, replacing its previous model with upgrades. The new model swaps its Intel Meteor Lake chip for Lunar Lake, offering improved performance. It features a larger 8-inch screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 80 Wh battery, making it competitive in the handheld PC gaming market. Additionally, it comes with Thunderbolt 4 capabilities, a wall-mounted charger, and enhanced #/RB buttons. More details will be revealed at Computex, promising further improvements over its predecessor. Intel's Lunar Lake promises up to 50% more GPU performance with lower power consumption. A limited edition Fallout version is also announced, maintaining the original design with Meteor Lake. Despite retesting with updated BIOS and drivers, the performance boost is not significant. Jacob Roach from Digital Trends reveals a complete redesign with additional features like an M.2 2280 slot for longer SSDs, scheduled for release in September.